Okay, so for this video I have a kit here, it's just playing drums. Alright, and I have these two tracks routed out to synth 1 and synth 2. Now in the previous video it might have looked redundant in order to put notes in here, but this is a different way you can use it. I was just doing that to show just the general setup of how you would be able to import your circuit tracks. So from here I had pressed learn, and then I held that down and pressed synth 1, and the same thing on synth 2. Okay, so what I'm doing here is I have this set up. I'm turning off synth 1 and synth 2 from playing the tracks, because what we're going to do is note palettes. Well, I had a video previously on how to make note palettes, but I'll just describe real quick. Each one of these steps I just assign to notes. So you hold it down and press whatever notes you want, okay? You can go up and down octaves and whatever you'd like. If you want to add note, just press it. If you want to... So when I press it, it plays that note. So right now I'm just going to show you, I made a little preset here. So now you can play in any order. Now this one, what I did was I copied this pattern over to this one, which is triggering a different synth in the track. Okay, so I'm going to press play and press record, and any notes that I play will be recorded in here. So it's the ESQ playing. As you can see, it's written in. And let's go into here. So if you don't like it, you just take it out and then try again. Okay, now here's another way you can use this. I have synth 1, it's set up the same way, but I have synth 1 set up to 3 different patterns, okay? I'm actually going to play them, just so you can hear. And now synth 2 I'll put in, I have 2 patterns for that. So what I did was I made the patterns kind of easily switchable, so I can combine the two. So here's this pattern. So what I'm going to do is turn them both on, go in the patterns. Let's go into here, and we're going to make this one. Press Shift 1, 2, 3 times. Same for this. Okay, now we're looking at a longer length, whereas this is only set to that length. Okay, so let's zoom out, or zoom in here actually. Okay, so I have this set to record now, so I'm just going to press play, and what it's going to do is record both of the synth tracks as I'm performing out the patterns. So let's just do that, just so you can see what you can do. Okay, so let's zoom out. Looks like we missed a little bit here, but that's fine. So as you can see, you can program different patterns and then record them in whatever order that you want, kind of real time, if you wanted to kind of improvise what's going to be coming in here. So another cool method is just to have this set up in a way that, let's say I want access to 2 octaves on the synths. You just hold down Shift and Note, and now you can play 2 different octaves right into here and record it if you want. Let's say while we're working on a drum beat, for example. So I can have this screen open and this, and we can just go from there. So just going to show you how that would work. I'm going to press record to turn it off, and then I can just jam over it with Synth 2, for example.